My darling friend Shah Rukh stood up and did an amazing job of it last year. So did Saif and Kareena. My darling Harman, Farah Khan. It will not be a Bollywood act event. The stars of this show are the girls.
40 लड़कियाँ. I'm a young single boy. तो मुझे I think इससे ज़्यादा बोलने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है कि एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा.
जो दिल में आया किया, जो किया वो बहुत इज्जत से किया, ईमानदारी से किया, और जो नहीं किया वो नहीं किया. So I never left the film industry. I won't be making a comeback. I'm very much here. This is the first time you're coming to our office. This is a place that we create from. This is the Tantra office. This is a place from where I Am She, the franchise, also operates, and inshallah in times to come, so will the production house. So welcome here and thank you very much for coming. Up to you now. I'm very privileged today that we started the I Am She 2011 auditions. ये पहला पड़ाव था जो officially शुरू हो चुका है, और मेरे साथ एक ऐसा panel था judges का, who have brought about such positive energy, and they've done it with so much love. I absolutely love this team. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Joy. It has been an absolute joy doing this audition with everyone.
40 लड़कियाँ. I'm a young single boy. तो मुझे I think इससे ज़्यादा बोलने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है कि एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा. मुझे फ़ोन आया था कि सुष्मिता जी ने मुझे बुलाया है, तो वैसे ही मैं ना नहीं कर पाया, लेकिन उसके बाद मुझे कहा गया कि 40 लड़कियाँ हैं और 2 राउंड हैं और 5 घंटे हैं, और उसमें से पहला राउंड स्विम सूट राउंड है. सो आई सेड अगर 4, 5, 10 दिन भी मेरे बुक तो मैं कैंसिल करके आ रहा हूँ. सो एज अ यंग बॉय इट वाज ग्रेट, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दे वर लवली लुकिंग गर्ल्स, very intelligent in whatever language they spoke. Amazing to look at, amazing, beautiful from outside, inside, all that, you'll hear from everyone else. But yeah, they were great, and I'm really honored to be here.
पिछले साल हमें हमारी कंपनी को तंत्र एंटरटेनमेंट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को मिस यूनिवर्स का इंडियन फ्रैंचाइज अवार्ड किया गया, जो कि पिछले 50 साल से इंडिया में था, लेकिन हमारे पास सिर्फ लास्ट ईयर से आया है. And so I Am She is the property now. That's what we call the preliminary to the Miss Universe contest. Basically, अब I Am She वो शो है इंडिया से जहाँ से वो कंटेस्टेंट सिलेक्ट की जाएगी जो हमारी कंट्री को मिस यूनिवर्स में रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, और किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म से अब मिस यूनिवर्स के लिए लड़की नहीं जाएगी. So that will be I Am She. We had a very successful year last year for I Am She 2010. I don't know how many of you watched it, but it was a very special, unique concept. इस साल उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए there are very many new things that are happening. आज की तारीख में हमारे डेटाबेस में 1800 ऐसी प्यारी प्यारी बच्चियां हैं पूरे देश से, जिनमें उतना हौसला, उतनी हिम्मत है कि वो अपने लिए अपनी एक जगह बना सकें. And that's also happened because of now you can speak in Marathi, Punjabi, English, Hindi, a language of your choice. We are interested in the content. आपकी opinions क्या है? आप क्या मानती हैं? आप किस चीज़ों में विश्वास रखती हैं? वो आप हमें बताइए. आपको जिस भाषा में बोलना है आप उस भाषा में बोलिए. शो पर इंटरप्रेटर्स होंगे जो उन्हें इंटरप्रेट करेंगे. Just for you to know, मिस यूनिवर्स में आज की तारीख में वेनेजुएला जैसी कंट्री ने बहुत बार मिस यूनिवर्स जीता है. उनमें से एक भी लड़की इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करती, वो सारी अपनी मातृभाषा में स्पेनिश में बात करती हैं. सो we're changing all of this. Miss Universe today is very different than when I won it. वहाँ पे 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड्स हुआ करते थे. You had to be body confident and you had to be personality confident. With Donald Trump and NBC taking over the property now, owning Miss Universe, it's more about body confidence. Now from India, when a girl goes, She has to be proud to walk in a two-piece bikini and not be apologetic for it. You see? And we have to give her that strength. Because the truth is, people don't remember all this. People only remember India winning it. And that's what we need to kind of inbuild, bring it back into the consciousness of people. And it'll happen. I have some wonderful fathers bringing their daughters over for the applications, call for entries, जो पहले नहीं होता था. मेरे खुद के पिताजी ने मुझे मना कर दिया था उस वक्त कि आप एक अच्छे बंगाली फैमिली से हैं, आप क्या करने जा रही हैं ये, हमारे घर पे कोई नहीं करता. But things have changed. It was 17 years ago. Today fathers do want their children to take that step for their higher education, for representing their country, to just get the kind of grooming they will get to become more complete individuals. It will not be a Bollywood act event. The stars of this show are the girls. This is their platform. We will get to know their backgrounds a lot more. कि ये कहाँ से हैं, इनके माता पिता, सबसे बड़ी तकलीफ जो मुझे हमेशा से हुई है कि the year 2000 was the last time we remembered the winners' names. Lara won in 2000, and after that, कोई ना कोई लड़की हमारे देश को represent करती है और हमें उसका नाम तक नहीं याद रहता. So we're changing that. We need to know the girls and their background so that we know कि वो है कौन जो हमें represent कर रही है, नाम तो कम से कम याद रहना चाहिए. So that's how we'll do this, and the target is simple love. जो भी करें हम, हमें वो crown वापस चाहिए. I think people who matter to me share the same passions or share the same beliefs. And in that sense, my darling friend Shahrukh stood up and did an amazing job of it last year. So did Saif and Kareena, my darling Harman, who went out of his way to be a part of it and to create awareness. Farah Khan. People who, again, are very strong-minded people who believe in the concept, who don't look at it as, in fact, I remember Shahrukh saying, कि सारी दुनिया को शर्म आती होगी बोलते हुए, if you're a man, that I am she. But he says, knowing what this stands for, I'm proud to say I'm she. Right? So I think that's it. I need similar-minded people to work on it. I just don't want it for the heck of publicity. I want it because we're growing and developing something that's good for everyone. I know has bothered a lot of people always as an actor, from me, has been the fact that I have never followed norms. जो दिल में आया किया, जो किया वो बहुत इज्जत से किया, ईमानदारी से किया, और जो नहीं किया वो नहीं किया. So I never left the film industry. I won't be making a comeback. I'm very much here. I'm just taking a break. I'm 35 films old. I've been working as an actor for 13 years. I've lost objectivity. I just do random films for the heck of it. I'm a mother of 2 children. I run a company. So if I take out 3 or 6 months of my life, they have to be worth it. Otherwise, I'm very happy in the space that I'm in, and to come and see you guys once in 6 months and to know आप कुशल मंगल हैं, हम भी कुशल मंगल हैं, life is good. But when I will do a film, I'll do it only because I really want to.